Welcome to day 6 of Illuminate Your Soul. Today's meditation is about pre-visualization and creating the best day ever through the power of gratitude. Begin today's meditation by finding a comfortable place to receive the meditation. You may sit on a pillow on the floor, or if you prefer, in a chair. Or you may lie down on your back with a covering over your eyes. Begin to take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to arrive at the present moment. Inhale fully, exhale fully. Inhale fully, exhale fully. Shift your awareness now to the space behind your eyes. Feel and experience the limitless expanse of potentiality that exists here. Keep your awareness on this space, the space behind your eyes. And as you do, begin to envision your day. Envision it chronologically or in different parts. Imagine maybe the places that you will go, the food that you will eat, the people who you will meet. And from your heart, send gratitude to all of these experiences that you will have today. Send gratitude to every aspect of your day. And see and envision this day going so smoothly, so beautifully. You may even receive unexpected good news today. And envision yourself receiving this good news. See the smile that will come across your face as you receive this beautiful news. See everything as part of your day going better than you had ever expected it to. The people you interact with, send them love, send them gratitude. The food that you will eat, envision it even more delicious than you've ever imagined. And the places and the sights and the things that you'll see and experience, more beautiful. More radiant than you have ever remembered them to be in the past. And then see your day coming to a close. See yourself returning home. And finally arriving on your bed, on your pillow, resting your head down, and see yourself thinking about your day and all the aspects of your day and feeling them as truly the best day ever. We are the full creators of our reality. So as we envision our day, and feel gratitude in advance for the things that we will do, the people we will meet, the experiences that we will have. We create the signature to receive the blessings that are for our highest alignment. Realize today is the best day ever. And each day is truly the best day ever as we create our life. Consciously take a deep breath, fluttering your eyes open, and allow a smile to grace your face. Give yourself a hug and feel excited about the day that you are about to have. You are loved. Thank you for being here. Have a magical day. If you would like to elevate your meditation experience, check out our eye mask pillows at buyasiya.com. This program was created as a labor of love to help you illuminate your soul. Thank you for being here.